grab the bone. Wait, should we just give it back to him? I mean, I don't want to be dog bait.
Yeah.
Here, dog, have your bone back. Wait, where'd the bone go?
Where'd you throw it?
I don't know. I threw it at the forest, I guess. What's that sound? It's near.
Run!
We need to find that bone.
Do you hear that panting?
Let's go this way. Whoa, what the? I honestly don't know.
Ah, it's water.
What?
It's water.
How could it be water?
Just feel it.
Man, it's water. So thirsty.
Wait, what if the wolf poisoned it or something?
Then I'm gonna die?
Yeah.
Good idea.
How about we go back to the rock now? I feel
Good
safe
idea.
there. What, did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that.
Oh my gosh, on the rock.
I'm scared. Skye, are you okay?
Yeah, I think so. What?
Your head, you have a bad scratch.
I do?
Yeah, see, look. Oh, wait, you can't see it. Try turning around this way. Okay, yeah, you can't see it, apparently. What was that?
The wolf just pushed me down. Where did it go?
Apparently it doesn't like the day. It really hates the day, don't you think?
Let's try to find a way home.
Oh, I just stepped on something. We're not going home until we find that bone, by the way. I don't want it to hurt us or kill us. And by the way, your scratch is practically washed off. It's like it was blood on you. No scratch at all.
Weird, because I didn't feel anything.
That is pretty weird. Wait, hold on, there's something under here.
Really?
The bone!
Really?
Guess really? Why would I say the bone? I'm going to the bone.
Wow.
Should we just give it back to him?
I'm not.
Hey, buddy, here's your bone.
Ah, you threw it away again. Let's go and hide under that bush.
Bush. No.
What?
Because I have an idea that that's where the wolf is.
Of course not.
Oh, well, where? Ow. Ow. Where are we? The bone.
Okay, grab it. Wait a
I
minute.
told you that we should have gone down there.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Doesn't this look kind of like a cave?
As if, why is there like plants here? And why is there a leaf? A huge one at that.
Yeah.
Come on.
Let's try to get out of this place.
Good idea.
Wait a minute. Entrance go.
Well, we fell from above, right?
Look above.
Oh. This place is haunted. We should never have gone down that bush. I told you. But at least we found the bone. Hey, Wolfie, you want your bone back? Take it.
How do you know the wolf's in here?
Because I have a feeling that this is a creepy... Look.
So... how are we going to get out?
We could try...
What? Look behind you. Stay as still as you can. Rest right here. Don't think you can hide from me, because I can smell you. I can't go out there.
Oh. Ow. You landed on me.
Sorry, but how did we get out here?
So let me get this straight. We fell from the bush into the den, and then we went and then fell again. Okay, I think gravity's mixing us up with this place.
Yeah. Well, this place isn't as creepy during the day, you know.
Yeah, but he got his bone back. I guess you're right. Not as creepy as yesterday. But I still want to go home.
My mom are thinking.
Let's call them. Oh, we don't have our cell phones.
Yeah, we didn't bring them with us.
Oh, remember? Well, it doesn't really matter. I mean, after all, you do have. Oh, it's so far. It's scary. Well, it's good in this death trap.
Oh my gosh.
It's
Really?
hideous.
Are you sure about that?
Walk.
Yeah, maybe we can find our house. This is really tall grass.
You can do that again. How do we get on here?
I don't know.
This place is not messing with our minds. Spooky.
This is crazy.
Too tall. Get out of this one, huh?
I don't know.
Just try this one.
Wow, this is really leafy.
This is huge.
What's that? I think that's the wolf.
Bloopers! Stop.
It won't stop.
Help us.
It won't stop.
Lupa!
It won't stop.
Lupa!
Do you hear that panting?
Yeah.
Wait, it didn't start. Look.
What?
What the heck?
Okay, there it goes.
Oh, oopsie. Whoa, when did this get here? Huh?
Okay, but how are we going to get back up?
I don't know.
There has to be another way up.
Wait, it didn't start yet. And don't show the red light. Why didn't it start?
Hello?
Yeah.
Stop it. Stop.
Why won't it stop?
Oh,
Ew.
that hit a good spot. No, it didn't. That hurt.
Also, at least he got his bone back.
I want to get out of here.
It's not that creepy during the day, actually. Oh, it didn't start.
It starts a lot.
No, it doesn't start.
Where are we?
I don't know.
Big dog! How did we get here?
Oh, man. Another blooper. Why wouldn't it stop? What the heck?